Everything you own is held together by screws, nuts, and bolts. I want 1,000 Phillips head screws. But the Phillips is the drive, not the head. CDE has been around for 3 decades, and we've gotten the same questions for over 30 years. Phillips, slotted, square, these are the drives, not the head. Pan, truss, round, modified truss, hex washer, these are the heads of the screw. The shank of the screw refers to the diameter and the length. We have the threaded portion and the unthreaded portion. Some are full thread, some are partial thread. Under the head of the screw, we refer to as the shank or the body. We have the threaded section and the unthreaded section of the body. The shank refers to the diameter. The shank is the shaft, threaded in some areas and smooth in others. Thread is the part of the screw that where mechanical advantage occurs. There's all different types of threads. Machine screw, space thread cutting, thread forming. But the point doesn't have to be sharp. Sometimes it's a spear, sometimes it's a club. Then you have to pick your material. Steel, stainless steel, brass, bronze. Same screw, different material, but it can also have a different finish. Zinc, zinc yellow, zinc black, black oxide, hot dip galvanized, 1,000-hour salt spray. Some last and some rust faster than your uncle's pickup. So please stop calling this a Phillips head screw. Trust us, we've been distributing fasteners for over 3 decades. Now let's get building.